Hi guys, Carly Voinski from Finding Keto Joy here, and we are talking about Bulletproof Coffee and Keto Cream. So what is Bulletproof Coffee? Bulletproof Coffee is when you make coffee and you insert healthy fats into it, grass-fed butter, coconut oil, and you blend it all together and you drink it, okay? So now if you're on a ketogenic diet, there's so many reasons why that would be a good choice. Me personally, I have a coffee similar to this each morning. So I know, one, it ups my daily fats. It starts my day off immediately giving my body the fat that it needs to burn for fuel. Not to mention just how great certain oils are for your brain. Some people don't use coconut oil in it, they use MCT oil. So now there are other options to your Bulletproof Coffee if you don't want to blend butter and coconut oil or purchase MCT oil, which can be expensive, and mix all of that into your coffee. I will say when I do it, I also add a pinch of salt and cinnamon. It makes it taste better. So if you're not all about that coffee life of blending it all, putting it in there, it can take a little bit of time. I know I do it probably like every other day, but on the off days, what I do use is this product called Keto Cream. So now this product I'm really loving right now because it basically gives me all of the benefits of a bulletproof coffee without having to drink straight up butter and blend it and make it myself, which, let's be real, on days when you're on the go and you're trying to run out, it's very difficult to have the time, for me at least, to blend all that stuff up. There have definitely been mornings where I've planned to make myself a bulletproof coffee, and then one kid was late to the bus stop, this happened, that happened, I had to be out of the door for work, and it just didn't work out, and I didn't have time. So these packages are pretty primo and great. So I'm gonna tell you guys what is in them and why I personally love them and use them. So the Keto Cream is a product by Pruvit. There you go. It's kind of a glare. Sorry. I'll insert a picture for you guys. So it is a product by Pruvit, which also makes exogenous ketones, which I also use. And this, though, does not have any ketones in it. What it does is it has the ingredients inside to help your body naturally create those ketones that you need to keep yourself in ketosis and fat burning. It has coconut powder in here for coconut oil. It has MCT powder in here for your MCT oils. But what's also really great about this stuff is that it has collagen types in here, as well as DNA repair. So you'll actually see it's great for hair, skin, and nails. I currently take a supplement, like a vitamin supplement for hair, skin, and nails, but this actually has a better absorption rate, I think, than my current vitamins that I'm using. So I do use this. I use this product, if not every day, I use it every other day. And then on the off days, I will go through the hassle of blending up my own bulletproof coffee. This is great for brain function. You're gonna see your mind just get rid of that mental fog. You're gonna have some clarity, which you will see right away. And it actually does have in here certain vitamins, vitamin B6, B12, and calcium. So what's great about the B6 and the B12 is that because those are in there, your body is going to absorb the ingredients in here and actually hold on to it, where with some other products, your body kind of just flushes it out and doesn't absorb it as much. If you have questions about the absorption rates of things, definitely feel free to drop a comment down below because I can help you understand that. It was something that I didn't understand at first either. This product tastes really great, but one thing that I also love about it is that if you see on the back, the calories, it's 130 calories. So for me, my bulletproof coffee that I make is over 200 calories. It's like double this almost. So if you are watching your calories, bulletproof coffee is a lot. So for me, it's over 200 calories for the way that I'd make my coffee. So this is great because I'm able to cut that in half, but yet have the same benefits from it. So how do I make this? It's way easier than the bulletproof coffee that I make in the blender. I take it and you just take an entire packet. Some people even use half a packet with their coffee, and you can open it and put it in your coffee and just stir like crazy. You're gonna wanna stir it really, really well. Or what I actually do is I have a shaker bottle and I put the hot coffee in my shaker bottle. I do put this in my shaker bottle. I shake it all up, and there is heat, so when you pop it open, it might spritz at you a little bit, so pop it away from you, and then I just pour it into my coffee, and it tastes like a frothy latte. It is so, so, so good. So that's what this Keto Cream is, and if you've never tried it before, if you want to try it, if you're interested in it, I'll put a link down below for you guys to try that as well. This is pretty great. It's one of my favorite supplements that I do for my keto diet is this Keto Cream stuff. I'll also put down the ingredients and the recipe for, sorry, I'm getting blown up right now. I will also do ingredients and recipe for my Bulletproof coffee and show you how I do that, and that'll be in the link description as well. And have you guys tried this stuff? Do you like it? Post in the comments. Do you make Bulletproof coffee? What do you use in your ingredients? Is there anything that I'm missing? Is there a secret little tidbit that you do to make it taste really, really well? And what do you do about Bulletproof coffee on the go? Do you take it into your car with you? What do you guys do? For on the go, I do take these. I've actually taken a Keto Cream with me to a coffee shop before and got my coffee and then put this inside of it. So that is what I do. I'd love to hear what you guys do. So let me know and drop it down below.